Hey everyone, it's Dylan from the Black Forest Wood Company, and we just finished our 20-foot Bastogne walnut resin cast dining table. Our whole team absolutely killed it on this piece. This is probably one of the nicest tables we have made in a long time, and it's the biggest table we've ever made with resin. One of the most expensive tables we've ever done too. This one ended up selling for around $40,000 Canadian, and we're going to show you guys the whole process of us making it in this video. So obviously a lot of effort went into this, so if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, that really means a lot to us. And I will be quiet now so we can watch this table come to life. We just got this from GL Veneer. It's a $40,000 dining table that we're starting to work on. 20 feet long, it's gonna be huge, and we're not doing it in two pieces, so it's gonna be really, really heavy as well. So we've got it on the trailer. We're finally ready to start working on it, and we're gonna use the Forerunner to get it pulled in, so that's, there you go, you can see it weighing down the Forerunner. It's gonna be kind of a little sketchy method of doing this, but it should work pretty good. This is the largest single pour that we've ever done. It ended up needing 255 liters, and we're doing a smoky gray resin on it. When it comes to pouring now, there's honestly no real method to it. Like, we get questions a lot like, why do you guys pour on the wood? Why do you pour in the mold? And it's usually just random, whatever's more convenient. If you pour on the wood, you can kind of eliminate some of the bubbles that are created. But since our resin has such a low viscosity to begin with, even if you just dump this bucket in all at once, all the bubbles would probably still come out.
There she goes.
And now we got to get it back down. So if it wasn't hard enough to lift that slab up, we've added about 600 pounds in resin to make it even more challenging. So you'll see what we do, but this time we're going to utilize 2 forklifts instead of just 1. And then we'll slowly bring this thing down and get it onto the CNC so we can relax again. Right here we're using our Festool track saw just to size this table. It does still work after last week when we cut the river rocks with it. They're tough saws, so we cut the length first, then we go perpendicular, with the ends and trim those. With the track saw though, one tip I should mention is to take multiple passes, because if you do it all at once, the saw is just going to bind up. Another important step when you're working with slabs of wood that are extra wide is to install C-channels. So that's what we're routing in here right now, is 2 little grooves so that C-channel can slide in and be attached to the underside of the table. On river tables though, where you split the piece of wood and it's not as wide, C-channels usually aren't required. Now Ben is applying the first coat of our Black Forest furniture oil. So I want to mention this product because we've been teasing it for a little while. It is nearly done. Haley has finalized all of the labels and we're just waiting on some French translation. And I would say within the next couple weeks here, we'll be able to start taking orders and getting this oil shipped out to you guys. We have used lots of different oil products on the market, and good and bad. Osmo is what we've used for a long time, and overall we're very happy with it. We would still recommend it to people, but we just found we got that little bit extra moisture, stain protection that we have been looking for a long time. And then you can even combine our furniture oil with our Black Forest ceramics, which are available now, to get even better water protection, a higher shine. It actually makes the surface hydrophobic, and it will increase abrasion resistance as well. So we've got the table all finished up here. It's again 20 feet long, 5 feet wide. We used our Black Forest deep resin. The wood is Bastogne walnut, and the total table weight is somewhere above like 1,500 pounds. It is a very, very heavy piece. Huge thank you though to our client for letting us build this for him. It's such a spectacular piece, and just the colors in this, especially once you get it out in the sunlight, you can really see that contrast. So it is going to be getting shipped down to him in the United States. Unfortunately, we can't go deliver this, but we will try and get some photos from him after it's all set up in his home. This is the giant crate for the table, by far the biggest table crate that we've ever gotten. And as I'm sure a lot of you probably know, the price of lumber is insane right now. So this crate actually costs us thousands of dollars. That's just the way things go, unfortunately, at this time. But the whole inside gets lined with foam, the table will go inside, and then it's going to go on a dedicated truck all the way down to our client in North Carolina. And then he's hiring a moving company to help take everything off the truck. And like I said, he'll probably get some photos, so we're looking forward to that. And as soon as we have photos, we'll probably put them on our Instagram. If you guys want to follow us, you can check them out there. But thank you guys for watching this build. This was a lot of fun. $40,000 dining table. I just can't get over that. So if you guys enjoyed, show us some love, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.